Hello guys, good day to all. I'm here again. Today I will teach you how to make wire splicing and how to do wire skinning. Our lesson is about wire skinning. So wire skinning class, wire skinning guys is what we have to remove the insulation of the wire ready for splicing. Now by the way, as a short of review, I will teach you only two types of wire splices. The common wire splices that we are going to use in our electrical works is what we call the rat tail or the pigtail. Okay, this splice, rat tail and pigtail, are commonly found inside the junction box as we mentioned earlier. So, and then the other one is Western Union, short tie and long tie. This type of splices, if our conductor not enough for the length, so we have to extend the length of the conductor by using the Western Union splice. Now first guy, we have to make the rat tail or pigtail splice. So we have material, the conductor, and our tools, the combination pliers and the long nose pliers. Also the wire cutter or wire striper rather. What we're going to do is to cut this conductor into two parts, and then approximately you have to remove the insulation of the wire using the cutter, this one, just simply, or if you have tools like this one, can be the wire stripper, or we have to use only the cutter. So careful guys that the conductor will not be scratched. Okay, here we are. So this is the conductor. I am using the solid conductor. Okay, we're done skinning of the conductor. This is what we call the wire skinning. In other words, we have to remove the insulation of the wire, this one. Okay, now first thing to do is we have to perform the rat tail and pigtail splice. So this is the way we make the rat tail and pigtail slice. First, you have to put X the conductor, and then as a beginner, we have to use this long nose pliers. This is it. And then by your fingers, you have to twist that one evenly. See? Slowly. And then we have to make a loop at the end. Okay, this is what we call the rat tail and or pigtail splice. Okay, the other splice is the Western Union short tie. The same, we have to remove the insulation of the conductor, but make it a little bit longer compared in the rattle or pigtail. Okay, this is it. First, like this one. Again, X, but the distance is, the position is not the same as in pigtail or rattle splice. Okay, you have to use long nose.
A few moments later.
Okay, we are done. This is the Western Union splice. So extend the length of the conductors will be extended using this kind of splices. Because if you have to use this one, it's not ugly to see. See? Compare to this one. Okay. So our project, this topic, guys, we have to make extension cord. You know, extension cord is very useful, especially in our area or our room in which the combination outlet is limited only. So to cater all our appliances or gadgets, so we have to make extension cord or extension wire. So we have the material. Okay, extension cord has three parts. First is the male plug. The other one is what we call the surface type convenience outlet. And then, of course, the flat cord. So first thing to do, either you start from here or in the convenience outlets. So no worry, you have to start any. First, again, you have to apply now the lesson that I discussed earlier about wire skinning of the conductor. Use of the cutter, approximately 1 inch. So use your thumb. This is 1 inch. Okay, here we are, guys. Now we have to open by the using of Phillips screwdriver or star screw. You open the male plug. Okay, this is it. Now this is inside the male plug. There are two terminals. Make sure, guys, that these two terminals will not connect each other. But in case that these two terminals are connected, this is what we call the short circuit. So it's problem.
Few moments later.
Okay, by the way guys, if we put the loop in the terminal, it should be counterclockwise. Otherwise, if it's not, the position is not counterclockwise, when we tight the screw terminal, it will remove in their axis. So like this. And then we have to close back again. Okay, we are done in male plug, and this is the other part, the surface type convenience outlet. Open the back area. And then this is it inside the convenience outlet. It is spring loaded. It is nice compared to the other one. So we have to remove this one guys, kaya it is cause of short circuit. Okay, this is the side of the cord in which we fix the convenience outlet. The same, approximately. And in this part should be cut, this area, so that there are room for the cord to be put on. Okay, again, loosen the screw terminal, both sides. Again, the same procedure, counterclockwise. Okay, we are done, and then close. Okay guys, this is our finished project in our lesson. Remember that this size 16 of the flat cord is good for the extension wire. So very simple. to make extension coil, and if you buy extension wire in the market, seems to be that the size is not accessible, it's not permitted all our appliances inside the house. So make sure that you are the one to make the extension wire for your convenience. So I hope guys that you have learned lesson about this today. That's all for today guys. I hope you learn lesson in terms of electrical works, how to make an extension wire or extension cord. It is very useful guys inside our living room or bedroom or any other areas in our house in which we have lots of gadget to cater on. So guys, good luck, and please continue watching my lesson in the YouTube channel, because after this lesson guys, I'm sure you are ready to be assisted for the in situ assessment. If you have some questions, don't forget to follow in my YouTube channel and like to my Facebook account and in Instagram and in all other media. I will put on the link in the description below, so for your convenience to follow my lesson. So see you guys. Good day, good luck, and God bless. Bye.